Welcome to Omasae, where natural beauty, calming textures, and thoughtful seasonal styling come together to create spaces filled with warmth and quiet elegance. In today's video, we are exploring a collection of creative dry branch decor ideas designed to celebrate the peaceful atmosphere of summer through organic materials and minimalist design. Every arrangement featured in the showcase highlights the beauty of natural forms, weathered textures, and earthy color palettes that help transform ordinary indoor and outdoor areas into serene and inviting environments. From sculptural branch installations to rustic handcrafted accents, each decor concept has been carefully styled to create balance, softness, and visual harmony, while maintaining a timeless aesthetic inspired by nature. Throughout this video, you will notice how light interacts with the dry branches, creating beautiful shadows, layered textures, and an atmosphere that feels open, airy, and deeply connected to the season. These ideas are perfect for anyone who appreciates organic modern decor, relaxed summer styling, and spaces that feel sophisticated without becoming overly complicated or crowded. As we begin this relaxing decor journey together, we invite you to enjoy every detail, find inspiration for your own home or garden, and experience the calming beauty of natural dry branch styling. Before we continue, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Omasae, and share your favorite summer decor idea in the comments below. The Driftwood and branch welcome sign combines handcrafted textures with natural materials to create an inviting focal point filled with warmth and personality. Weathered driftwood pieces are paired with carefully selected dry branches to form a balanced composition that feels artistic yet effortless. Soft grain patterns, sun-faded surfaces, and irregular branch shapes contribute to a relaxed summer atmosphere inspired by coastal living and rustic garden design. Positioned near entrances or garden paths, this decorative sign becomes more than a simple greeting element because it immediately establishes the tone of the entire environment. Natural fibers, neutral color palettes, and layered textures help the piece blend seamlessly into outdoor settings while still attracting visual attention. The handcrafted quality of the arrangement adds authenticity and character, making the space feel more intimate and thoughtfully curated. The branch wall grid with summer-dried flowers combines structure and softness to create an artistic display filled with natural texture and seasonal warmth. Thin branches form a geometric grid that acts as a backdrop for delicate dried flowers in muted summer tones such as beige, cream, dusty orange, and soft yellow. The contrast between the linear branch framework and the softness of the flowers creates visual balance that feels elegant and thoughtfully curated. Mounted against neutral walls, this installation introduces dimension and organic beauty without overwhelming the surrounding interior design. The dried floral elements also preserve a sense of summer long after fresh blooms have faded, making the arrangement feel timeless and enduring. Natural lighting enhances every detail by highlighting subtle textures and casting delicate shadows across the wall surface. The rustic dry branch garden obelisk introduces a sculptural vertical element that brings height, texture, and timeless natural beauty into the summer landscape. Carefully assembled from weathered branches and organic wood textures, the obelisk creates an elegant focal point that feels both handcrafted and refined while blending harmoniously with surrounding greenery and stone pathways. Its open framework allows sunlight and soft breezes to move through naturally, creating shifting shadows and delicate patterns that change beautifully throughout the day. The warm, earthy tones of the branches complement garden flowers, climbing plants, and neutral outdoor materials, helping the entire environment feel balanced, airy, and connected to nature. Positioned within a garden bed or beside a pathway, the structure adds architectural interest without overwhelming the simplicity of the space. The rustic twig sunburst wall mirror transforms an ordinary wall into a sophisticated decorative focal point, inspired by natural textures and organic summer styling. Delicate twigs radiate outward from the mirror in a sunburst formation, creating a sculptural design that feels both artistic and effortlessly connected to nature. The weathered wood textures and warm, earthy tones bring softness and visual warmth into the space while maintaining a calm, minimalist atmosphere. Positioned near natural light, the mirror reflects surrounding greenery, soft shadows, and warm sunlight, helping the room feel brighter, larger, and more open. The handcrafted arrangement of the twigs adds rustic character and subtle movement, allowing the piece to function as both functional decor and natural artwork. Paired with linen fabrics, ceramic accents, and neutral interior palettes, the mirror enhances the overall sense of serenity and understated elegance. The rustic lantern pathway posts create a warm and inviting atmosphere by combining natural branch textures with soft ambient lighting throughout the summer garden. Tall handcrafted posts made from weathered branches line the pathway with understated elegance, guiding movement, while adding sculptural character to the outdoor environment. Hanging lanterns cast a gentle golden glow that enhances the textures of stone walkways, surrounding greenery, and rustic wooden surfaces during the evening hours. The organic forms of the branches introduce a relaxed handcrafted quality that feels both timeless and deeply connected to nature. Soft lighting and earthy tones transform the pathway into a peaceful retreat that encourages slow movement and quiet appreciation of the surrounding landscape. The combination of natural materials and subtle illumination creates beautiful layered shadows that shift gently throughout the night. The natural dry branch path border creates a gentle transition between the landscape and the living space, while introducing texture and visual rhythm into the environment. Carefully arranged branches line the walkway with an organic flow that feels relaxed yet intentionally designed for a sophisticated summer setting. The warm, neutral tones of the dried wood blend beautifully with surrounding greenery, stone pathways, and soft, natural lighting throughout the day. This decor element adds subtle structure without making the space feel crowded, allowing the atmosphere to remain airy and calming. Small imperfections in the branches contribute to an authentic rustic appearance that enhances the overall sense of natural elegance. During golden hour, sunlight filtering through the branches creates beautiful shadows and layered textures that make the pathway feel artistic and welcoming. The minimalist dry twig table centerpiece demonstrates how simple natural materials can create a refined and sophisticated visual statement without excessive decoration. Carefully selected twigs are arranged with balance and restraint to emphasize clean lines, organic texture, and quiet elegance across the table setting. Neutral ceramic vessels, soft linens, and subtle natural tones complement the arrangement beautifully while allowing the sculptural forms of the twigs to remain the focal point. This centerpiece style works especially well in summer because it introduces visual interest while maintaining an open and breathable atmosphere. The simplicity of the arrangement encourages calm conversation and a relaxed dining experience inspired by nature and mindful living. Gentle variations in branch shape and texture add depth without making the composition appear overly styled or complicated. The natural branch-stepped garden terrace introduces layered texture and sculptural depth into the landscape, while maintaining a soft, organic atmosphere inspired by rustic outdoor living. Carefully arranged branches form natural retaining edges that guide the elevation of garden beds and pathways with an artistic handcrafted appearance. The warm wood tones blend beautifully with stone surfaces, ornamental grasses, and flowering plants, helping the entire environment feel balanced and connected to nature. This stepped feature creates gentle visual movement throughout the garden while preserving an open and airy summer aesthetic. Sunlight filtering across the branches enhances the layered textures and creates beautiful natural shadows that shift throughout the day. The imperfect forms of the branches contribute authenticity and rustic elegance without making the design feel overly formal or structured. Twig-wrapped terracotta flower pots offer a charming blend of rustic craftsmanship and natural summer styling that enhances both indoor and outdoor spaces. Thin, dry twigs are carefully layered around classic terracotta pots to create additional texture, warmth, and visual detail while preserving the earthy character of the original material. The combination of natural clay tones and weathered wood textures creates a grounded aesthetic that feels timeless and inviting. Placed beside garden seating areas, pathways, or sunlit patios, these decorative pots bring softness and organic structure into the surrounding environment. Green foliage and dried floral arrangements contrast beautifully against the neutral materials, helping the overall composition feel balanced and fresh during the summer season. The handcrafted appearance also adds personality and authenticity, making even simple plant arrangements feel more artistic and thoughtfully styled. The rustic branch bird perch station brings movement, life, and natural charm into the summer garden while blending beautifully with the surrounding landscape. Crafted from weathered branches and organic wood textures, the structure creates a peaceful resting place for birds while also serving as an artistic outdoor decor feature. Elevated perches and handcrafted feeding platforms add vertical interest to the garden without disrupting the calm simplicity of the environment. Warm, earthy tones and natural imperfections allow the station to harmonize effortlessly with greenery, stone pathways, and rustic outdoor materials. During the early morning and late afternoon, soft sunlight highlights the textures of the branches, while birds add gentle motion and soothing natural sounds to the atmosphere. The open, organic design encourages a relaxed connection with nature and transforms the space into a tranquil seasonal retreat. Thank you for spending time with Omasae as we explored these elegant dry branch decor ideas designed to celebrate the beauty of summer through natural materials and thoughtful styling. From sculptural installations to handcrafted rustic accents, every arrangement in this collection demonstrates how simplicity and organic textures can transform ordinary spaces into calming and inviting environments. The beauty of dry branch decor lies in its timeless character, allowing each piece to feel artistic, peaceful, and connected to nature without relying on excessive ornamentation. Whether used in outdoor gardens, cozy patios, or minimalist interiors, these natural elements create atmosphere through balance, texture, and soft, earthy tones. We hope this video inspired you to experiment with organic decor concepts that bring warmth and serenity into your own surroundings during the summer season. Share in the comments which decor idea inspired you the most and how you would style natural branches in your space. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Omasae, and stay connected for more relaxing and nature-inspired decor ideas.